Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Snapchat camera quality iPhone on settings. We click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and you will just go down, you will click here on apps, then you come here to apps window and you will just go down here to looking for Snapchat app here and this is window. We'll go down to and we will find the snapshot. We will click here to snapshot and we come here to this is window. You will just click here on for stop and you will click here on OK and you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then you will click here on clear data and you just go to Play Store and update your snapshot app and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.